All right, for this question, we're looking at comparing reaction rates between different parts of the chemical equation. In this case, in my particular question, we're looking at what is the change for B, which could be different for you, when C is increasing at 2 molarity per second. So C is a product. That's a little bit hard to see. The D is down here. This is all one chemical equation. 3A plus 4B forms 2C plus 4D. So this will be a negative rate because it's a reactant being used, but it says what is the magnitude? And that is that's asking for a positive number, no matter. And the reason they ask for that is because some people will get a reactant, some people will get a product. And so what is the magnitude? So what is the comparison? So if we use what we learned, where we put a fraction based on the coefficient, we would have 1/2 C being equal to -1/4 change in B. Now we're trying to solve for change in B. So we would multiply. So I put the negative here. This is asking for the absolute magnitude. So we don't necessarily need to deal with the negative, but I'm going to do it just anyway. We want to solve for this number, which is in molarity per second, what this is in right now. And so to solve for that, we need to get it by itself. So we're going to multiply both sides by -4 times -4. And so what we get is the change in B over change in T is equal to -2 times delta C over delta T. And now that number is equal to -2 times 2.0 molar per second. So it would be equal to -4 molar per second for B. Because it's a reactant, it's going down, but because it asks for the magnitude, we are just going to put in the number 4.0. There we go. And there's some work for us.